Within Sage CRM, a system administrator can control the display of a tab using a short SQL clause. We can decide whether a tab should display based on the information of the entity that's in context. And if we're looking at a person screen, then the person entity is going to be in context. And if we're looking at a company screen, then the company is going to be in context. So, for example, here you can see I'm looking at a company summary screen. So we're in the company context, and we may only want to have, and you can see here the Opportunities tab at the top of the screen, we may only want the Opportunities tab displayed if the company is of type Customer. Now this is the tab menu definition for the Company tab menu, and you can see that I've highlighted the Opportunities tab, and we can enter in here a short SQL clause. Now this clause is comp type is equal to customer, and if I save the changes in here, we can test the effect of this clause. Now what you'll find is now if I switch back into the screen and refresh it, the tab option has been hidden because the type is something other than customer. Now if I change that to customer, then the tab menu will be revealed. We've got the option as well to really develop this idea a little bit further. The SQL clause can be made more complex with each of the following examples being valid. And again, we're looking here at the entity that's in contexts. So we can look for comp type is equal to customer, or comp type is equal to prospect. The comp type is within a list of values. The comp type, as an example, is customer, and another field like status is active as well. So you've got two conditions being applied there. You can also look for null values as well. So all these are in the form of a predicate, and the predicate can include a subselect as well. And the last example that we've got in here is interesting because it's saying that here's the comp type is customer, and the Opportunities tab would only display if there are in fact opportunities associated with the company that's in context.